Hello, sixth graders, and welcome to day 2, where you design your own flag for your country. So you can see here today it's all about the flag. So as we zoom down here, there'll be a tutorial which you're listening to. If you want to rewatch this, you'll be able to click this, so there'll be a link. We want you to take the first half of class to draw your flag. You want to think about how do you want it to look, and you can do it on paper and take a picture and paste it in here if you want, but I'd recommend you use the computer itself. So if I go up just like I did when I was inserting my country on the map and choose drawing, it makes sense that I think most every country, not all, but most countries have rectangular flags. So I'm going to make mine rectangular. I'm going to do that. I'm going to make 3 bars to mine. You decide what you're going to do in yours though. So we do another rectangle. I'll draw that a little bit thinner. And then I want to do one more level, because I'm thinking about what these might represent on my flag, and this one's going to be really thin. There we go. And I'm going to change the colors. And again, I have a reason for the colors that I'm choosing. Purple is very important in my country. You'll see why in a moment. And so is orange. And this bottom one in my country has a lot of open country. And I'm putting it at the bottom for representation of green and grass and forest and all that. So there's my flag. And I'm thinking I want to add an image. So if I click image, I have a choice to do a URL. And I found this picture back here of a unicorn, and that's very important to Unicornlandia. That's the name of my country, Unicornlandia. And so when I hold this down, I get a choice to be able to copy image address. So I copy that, and I come back to here, URL, and I'll paste that address in there. And there I'll see the unicorn. So when I select that, it's really big, way bigger than my flag, so I'm going to make it smaller, make it even smaller, and I think I want it even smaller. I'll put that right there, and I would continue to design it, okay? This is just a start. So I'm going to save that, and put it up there. And I actually want it down here in this box. So I just Command X that, Command V, and there's the start of my flag design. Okay, again, this should take about 30 minutes. And then down here we really want to understand why you designed it that way. So explain your design, how the symbols, colors, all of that, why is that important to your country, and hopefully you'll even integrate that with your country's history. Okay, so thank you very much for listening. And remember, be creative and have fun.